Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to edit your site header in Squarespace. This is squarespace.com, and to edit your website header in Squarespace, first you need to log in to your account by filling your email address and password, then click on Login. On this page, click on this website button below your desired website. To go into the editing mode, first click on this edit button. Click on the site header and hit edit design. You can select the layout of your header, for example, the logo in the middle. You can also edit the link spacing, as you can see in this area, or adjust the element spacing. You can also use a fixed position or not. You can also adjust the height of the header section. And to edit the header section background, go to color and select between a gradient color or a solid color. You can select the background color from here. Let's go with this blue one. You can adjust the opacity of the background color. To edit this button inside this header, click on it, and you can click on this pen in order to edit the button text. For example, call now. You can also edit the link. In order to link to a page on your website, first delete your existing link or destination, and you can select your new page from here. If you want to become a pro on Squarespace, I recommend you joining my university today for free in order to get access to this Squarespace online course. Inside this course, you can learn many things, including how to get started with Squarespace, how to design and customize your website, also some advanced customization and features, how to optimize your website for mobile and user experience, how to manage and maintain your website, and also advanced tips and best practices. To get access to this Squarespace online course for free today, plus all of these online courses and also the upcoming free courses in my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial. As you can see from appointments, now this button links to the About page. You can also design this button just like that. To reorder the navigation here, just click on it, then click on this little pen, and you can reorder the position of your navigation pages. And this is how to edit your site header in Squarespace. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.